Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Pakistani-led commander, two militants killed in encounter in Kashmir's Pulwama. Three militants were killed in an encounter with security forces in Pulwama town of South Kashmir on Wednesday morning, while one terrorist has been identified as Pakistani Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Aizaz alias Abu Huraira. The other two are unidentified locals. As per the Kashmir Zone Police, incriminating material including arms and ammunition were recovered by the security forces. At present, a search is underway. The encounter broke out when the area was cordoned off by a joint team of the Police Army and Central Reserve Police Force on receiving a specific input. Curfew was imposed in Pulwama town after encounter broke out. Who was Justin Narayan, MasterChef Australian 13 winner? Justin Narayan, the Indian origin pastor, took home the MasterChef Australian 13 trophy. The 27-year-old chef impressed the judges with his risk-taking ability. His journey on MasterChef Australia was a roller coaster ride with ups and downs, but ultimately he won the cooking reality show. Along with the trophy, Justin took home $250,000 while PT, the first runner-up, won $30,000 and second runner-up Ishwar got $20,000. Justin Narayan was competing against Kishwar Chaudhary and Pete Campbell. Kishwar, who originally hails from Bangladesh, was a home cook, while Pete Campbell from New South Wales in Australia was a self-taught cook. Justin Narayan hails from Western Australia. He looks up to the chefs Kagan Anand and Gordon Ramsay. Justin began cooking at the early age of 13. His Fijian and Indian heritage was influenced his cooking. In 2017, Justin traveled to India and fell in love with his culture, history, people, and its food. Someday, Justin would like to have a food truck or a restaurant of his own, which will feature Indian flavors that he grew up eating. Speaking about his win, Justin Narayan said, "I just won MasterChef Season 13 2021. What the actual heck? It is a surreal feeling. It's going to take a while to sink in. I am keen to party with these guys, but a huge thank you to the judges, the other contestants, Pete Ishwar, Petty in the particular. I freaking love you, bro. This was just been the best experience of my entire life and my mind is blown." Rains. IMD issues red alert for 5 Maharashtra districts, orange alert for Mumbai 10. The Met Department on Tuesday issued an orange alert for Mumbai and neighboring Thane, indicating heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places, and a red alert for Pune, Raigad, Ratnagiri, Kolhapur, and Satara districts for Wednesday. The Indian Meteorological Department said red alert indicates that extremely heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places in Ghat areas. Extremely heavy rainfall means more than 204.4 mm precipitation in 24 hours, it said. The intensity of rains is expected to reduce from the Thursday onwards, the IMD said. The rest of the state is expected to receive heavy rains at isolated places and also light to moderate showers, it said. Mumbai City on Tuesday received 51.5 mm rainfall, while suburban areas recorded 54.6 mm rainfall, and IMD report said. Coastal Raigad and Ratnagiri district received 135.5 mm and 137 mm rainfall respectively between Monday and Tuesday, it said. Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada received moderate showers, while most of the Vidarbha district recorded rainfall in the single digit between Monday and Tuesday, the report said. NCB arrests psychologist for baking, selling brownies infused with drugs in South Mumbai. The Narcotics Control Bureau on Monday busted a drug supply module in which cakes and brownies infused with narcotic drugs were being baked and then supplied for rape parties. NCB officials also arrested a person in connection with the matter. Acting on a tip-off, the zonal director of the NCB in Mumbai, Samir Vakande, raided bakery cum residence in Mazagaon, locality of South Mumbai on Monday after through verification and search 10 kilograms of Hazi's brownie cakes were found baked, packed and kept ready for delivery. The bakery cum dark lab was being run by a professional psychologist who works with a reputed South Mumbai-based hospital, sources said. The accused, identified as Rahamin Sharinia, 25 years age, was in the drug business since his college days. During the interrogation, the accused revealed that the idea of making such cakes infused with narcotic drugs came to him after watching a famous OTT-based international series about drug trafficking. Choroniav used to make deliveries himself and took orders through social media platforms. He had a vast clientele in southern and western Mumbai. This is the second operation where the NCB busted a module where drugs were being infused into brownies or cakes. Last month, a similar operation was carried out in western Mumbai, but the seizure was person of the seizure.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.